Hi there, and welcome back to Superior Self with KJ Landis. Today, I'd like to talk about the subject, challenge equals change. We've had so many opportunities in our life to experience challenge. What does that mean? It means we have to work hard through struggles. It means we have to challenge ourselves to grow better, to do better. Doing something different always creates a challenge to enhance our lives, to go one step in front of the other, to put one foot in front of the other, to read another book, to study another class, to write something bigger, better, longer, stronger that will help us create change. Don't be afraid of change. Don't be afraid of challenges. It gives us the opportunity to grow in so many ways, not even in the subject that we're experiencing the challenge in, but later on we have changes in other areas of our lives that we never even thought possible. Have a blessed day. Visit me at www.superiorselfwithkjlandis.com.